In primetime news this evening, chaos and grief. 4-year-old girl among 5 killed in Commodore in Linstead St. Catherine mass shooting.
We will get you. Government sends strong warning to criminals involved.
And the opposition calls for urgent measures to tackle violent crime. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, here a scam, there a scam. We hear about malware and viruses. With so many cybersecurity threats, one commercial bank says its standards are being enforced. I'll tell you what the National Commercial Bank has to say later in the business day.
I thought you were going to say everywhere a scam. Everywhere there's sports, Jeremy.
Thanks,
Jeremy Brown.
Thanks, Archie. Speaking of enforcement, Mobile United, they are enforcing their lead atop the Jamaica Premier League standings. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
And everywhere is rain. Well, not quite. Romain is here with a preview of the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Shalal. It's more like every day. We do have showers and thunderstorms in the forecast for all the days this week. Most of the activity, however, is expected to be concentrated over sections of the west and over the east on Thursday and on Friday. I'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast.
What you got? Every day is rain.
Every day. Water everywhere, but not a drop to drink. That's what I have. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and the weather report and forecast in detail later on. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, Archie, we are asking, what more do you think can be done to make communities safer from gun violence?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.